Welcome to Amazing Home Kitchen. In today's video we will make mini orange cheesecake. Do you love cheesecake? So let's begin. Take 1 fresh orange and 12 digestive biscuits and crush to make crumbs. Take out in a bowl. Add melted butter as required and mix. Butter helps to hold the crust together. Crust is ready to use. Fill the crust into cupcake molds. Press and set the crust properly in the base. Put the molds in refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Take 300 grams cream cheese and add half cup icing sugar. Stir and mix with help of a spatula. Be sure to use full fat cream cheese. Stir till icing sugar mixes well. Beat it with electric beater. Add orange Jell-o powder, orange juice, few drops of orange emulsion. Beat to mix everything well. Filling has become soft and fluffy. Fill the cheese in a piping bag. Fill in the cup molds upon the crust. Keep in freeze for 8 hours. Take out from molds and garnish with orange and blueberries on top. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Try it at home. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.